For a web service to make use of encryption or user authentication, it requires a server certificate. This is an important step. Any system that you want to trust the CenTran web service through browser access will need to have the selected certificate authority certificate imported over to them. To start, select CenTran Configuration Manager from the CenTran entry under the Windows Start menu. Then select the Self-Signed Certificates tab. The CenTran Configuration Manager will create certificates and configure them in the CenTran configuration file. To select an existing certificate, click on the drop-down menu labeled Selected Certificate Authority and select any certificate in the local machine root authority store that has a private key. To create a new certificate authority certificate, enter the name, organization, and title you want to use, and select Create Certificate Authority Self-Signed Certificate. Next, you can use your selected certificate authority certificate to create a signed server certificate for use by CenTran. First, enter the name you will use to access CenTran in the certificate name field. It is very important that this name matches how you are going to address CenTran in a browser. If this is by server name, then the server name needs to be the name of the certificate. If it is by IP address, then the IP address needs to be the name on the certificate. Enter an organization name and title as desired. And select Create Update CenTran Web Service Certificate. The certificate will be created and selected in the drop-down menu labeled Selected CenTran Certificate. For the last step, you can have the CenTran Configuration Manager set up the selected certificate in the CenTran configuration file. Select the Save Certificate selection to CenTran configuration file. This completes the process. Close out of the program and you're finished.